In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts and graphs in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Excel and prepare your data carefully. This part is important because a clean table makes chart creation much easier. Arrange your information in rows and columns and make sure each column has a clear header. For example, you might have one column for months and another for sales. Keeping your data organized helps Excel understand what should be used as labels and what should be used as values. Once your data is ready, select the range you want to turn into a chart. Click and drag to highlight the full data set, including the column headers. Be sure you include all the relevant categories and values, because if something is left out, the chart may not display correctly. Next, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, choose the chart type that best fits your data. Excel gives you several common options. A column chart is useful for comparing values across categories. A bar chart does something similar, but displays the data horizontally. A line chart is great for showing trends over time. A pie chart works well for showing proportions of a whole. An area chart can help show cumulative totals over time, and a scatter chart is useful for showing relationships between variables. Once you find the chart you want, click it to insert it into the worksheet. After the chart appears, you can move it by clicking and dragging it to a better spot on the sheet. If you want to resize it, click the chart and drag one of the sizing handles on the corners or edges. Now add a chart title so the viewer immediately understands what the chart represents. Click the title box and type something descriptive, such as Monthly Sales Report. A clear title makes your chart more professional and easier to read. You can also add extra chart elements for more detail. Click the chart, then click the Chart Elements button, which appears as a plus sign beside the chart. From there, you can turn on axis titles, data labels, a legend, grid lines, or a trend line. These features can make the chart much more informative, especially when you're presenting data to others. If you want to improve the overall appearance, click the chart and go to the Chart Design tab. Choose a different style from the available options to quickly update the look. You can also select Change Colors to apply a new color scheme. If the chart doesn't seem to organize the data the way you expected, go back to Chart Design and click Switch Row/Column. Excel will reorganize the categories